To Safe Investor AG, 8% plus a warrior. This video is not financial advice. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Please invest your own money at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence and research as I will do mine. This video is not financial advice. Bitcoin to $200K. $200,000 Bitcoin is around the corner. You don't believe me? Let me show you. So I want to talk about this right here, this CoinDesk article. It says all spot Bitcoin ETF applications may be approved together. Crypto ETF experts predicts all of the Bitcoin ETFs in one whole bunch, in one whole pool. Bam, approval at once. Could you imagine? Okay, not just that, but get this. All applications to the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission's SEC for spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds ETFs may be approved together, predicts crypto ETF expert Volatility Shares Chief Investment Officer Stuart Barton. That's not all, but look at this. Barton's company has already secured one Bitcoin ETF, in June. His company Volatility Shares 2x Bitcoin Strategy ETF. He became the first leverage crypto ETF available. Are you serious? The first 2x leverage Bitcoin ETF? That's huge. So Volatility Shares were also the first to file an application for an Ethereum feature-based ETF. The SEC has not approved any of the many previous applicants, but despite this, other companies followed Volatility Shares in applying for an Ether future ETF. Holy crap, futures, it's kind of like, that's insane. So many of these began trading in October, but despite SEC approval, Barton's team did not launch their Ether ETF. Open quote, we applied first but didn't get the first mover advantage when all applications were approved in one go. And then we got Barton, old CoinDesk, in the phone interview. Barton told CoinDesk in a phone interview, open quote, this is a precedent-setting event that could be replicated by the SEC in its considerations of spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, to be sure, Barton's entity can still launch its Ethereum ETF. Given that slow start of Ethereum ETF, less than 2 million were traded on the first day with poor volume. Continuing throughout the week, Barton and the team. Okay, we have to look at this, take a step back and just take a look at all of this. So, currently Bitcoin right now is running. Okay, let's look at the 1 day. It spiked to 35,000. It already broke all resistance. It's running. It might come back to 30,000. It's already at its peak, so day traders will take profits. Anyways, look, y'all see this? So what I'm trying to get at is this. So we have trillions coming in from Fidelity, BlackRock, that we're pouring in here. And now we have a 2x leverage ETF. People are going to become millionaires. Just imagine, one Bitcoin from 34,000. People buy 34,000. And let's say this spikes it just runs for like a whole year without stopping, all the way to 200,000. So let's say people buy, let's say 3 Bitcoins. They just choose to buy $100,000 worth of Bitcoin. And it jumps all the way to 200,000. Okay? That's almost not a 10x, but that would be maybe a 7x. About a 7x. But if you bought it in the 2x leverage Bitcoin ETF, you just made a 14x. 14x. Yes, Your 100,000 turned into a $1.4 million. Cash that baby out. People are going to become rich. Even if you put in here, let's say 50,000. Okay, 50,000, you come out with 700,000. That's insane gains. Now imagine all the altcoins that are just going to be, just catapulting in volumes, because the volume from Bitcoin is going to trickle down to the altcoins, and yeah, it's going to be insane. Well, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about? Are you going to look this up? Are you going to buy some? Or are you going to stick to the old-fashioned just Bitcoin? Are you going to buy and invest in Bitcoin in the Bitcoin ETF? Well, let me know what you think down below. On my next video, I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite altcoins: a low cap, small cap, really tiny cap, and a nano cap. And I think it's time. All right, this is Safe Investor AG. Express himself as a warrior. Stay saucy. Bye.